Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to PENGU update today. So we're looking at PENGU at the moment, but before we actually continue on, it's important that we mention our sponsors for this video. So if you guys need something that can actually give you a little bit of profit or a good project out there for XRP, do check dexrp, link is in the description. And also we have a meme coin called SPX6969. So the meme coin has a different mission, the DXP has a different mission as well. These guys are more into the utility side of it. They're trying to bring a real world project, which is a decentralized exchange. You can read their roadmap, everything. There's a way that they're predicting if you invest $100 right now, you could actually end up cashing $400 by the time of the listing. An IDO is going on. SPX6969, if you guys love Memecoin, you could actually consider this as a low cap next gem at the moment. So please buy at your own risk, do a little bit of research. I'm not telling you to go and throw money or anything. That's just not my thing. It's please do research. Links are in the description. Study it. If you love it, you can actually get invested in it. I'm actually invested a little bit in there, so wish me luck. And if you are invested as well, I wish you luck as well. So the thing is, we have a left shoulder on PENGU, the head here, the right shoulder on PENGU, and that's the last time I made a video on PENGU, this is exactly what I was talking about. And we saw a pump to the upside, of course, but this pump was pretty much the retest of the neckline, so nothing is good. Even as a matter of fact, this pump made it even way worse than you might have actually thought about it, because all you did is you broke the neckline, you went for the retest, and I've given you this blue line as invalidation point. If you come up here, that's the invalidation point. I didn't change anything from the last video, and that's the reason why this blue line is still sticking there. The head and shoulder is still sticking there. It is a perfect head and shoulder. So if we try to take the design here, that's your left shoulder, that's your head right here, and this is pretty much your right shoulders, right? So the pattern are pretty much as clear as the moon. The neckline is as clear as the moon. This is known as an ascending neckline because the pattern, the neckline is not straight like this, right? The neckline is actually a little bit ascending to the upside. So if you think there's like a support going on in here, I don't think so. This is a whole pattern for me. This is the best scenario right now, and it's a head and shoulder, and it's pretty normal because why not? I mean, after pumping for such a long time, look at the pumps, man. And the previous, let's go back to history. It happened before, and we've seen twin pattern over and over again. So for example, we did see this left shoulder, head here, right shoulder right there, the neckline destroyed, and then the move to the downside. It's just the very same scenario. Yet again, nothing different. Whatever this is, back in history has just repeated again, and the outcome is just going to be very similar to what happened right there. So if you do go down, right, let's actually talk about coming down to the target, which is actually 0.22759. So I'm actually going to leave this as your next technical target out of the head and shoulder. And for me personally, if you see PENGU just come to the target number one, you can have a buying bid at this trend line, right? So this is one touch here, move up, touch right there, move up, and then this could actually be another third touch, a little bit of support coming up again, and you could actually, you know, enter the trade, and you could actually have an opportunity to go to the upside one more time. However, if you end up breaking that trend line and retest, you could actually even fall way bigger than before. So that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.